Hi, in front of me is Huawei P Smart 2021 NFC, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Start by going into settings, then scroll down, click on biometrics and password, select face recognition and enter your current login method. After that, read the disclaimer and tap on get started. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!